Let us solve for s, given that 8 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 80. The given equation is 8 raised to power s minus 2 is equal to 80. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then if you have 1 over a, this is equal to a raised to power minus 1. And if you have a raised to power m minus n, this is equal to a raised to power m over a raised to power n. This can be written as 8 raised to power s multiplied by 8 raised to power minus 2 is equal to 80. 8 raised to power s multiplied by this can be written as 1 over 8 square is equal to 80. 8 raised to power s over 8 square is equal to 80. Let us cross multiply. This is the same thing as 8 raised to power s is equal to 8 square multiplied by 80. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 8 raised to power s is equal to log 80 multiplied by 8 square. If you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. Then this can be written as s log 8 is equal to log 8 square multiplied by 80. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by log 8. This divided by log 8. This divided by log 8. Log 8 here 1, log 8 here 1. S is equal to log 8 square multiplied by 80 over log 8. Now if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. S is equal to, numerator can be written as log 8 square plus log 80 all over log 8. Let us split the whole of this equation. S is equal to log 8 square all over log 8 plus log 80 all over log 8. S is equal to 2 log 8 all over log 8 plus log 80 all over log 8. This log 8 cancel this log 8. S is equal to 2 plus log 80 can be written as log 8 multiplied by 10 all over log 8. S is equal to 2 plus log 8 plus log 10, if you split it, this is all over log 8 and this over log 8. Log 8 here 1, log 8 here 1. S is equal to 2 plus 1 plus log 10 can be written as log 2 multiplied by 5 all over log 8. S is equal to 2 plus 1, this is 3, plus log 2 multiplied by 5 can be written as log 2 plus log 5 all over log 8. 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Now if you split this, S is equal to 3 plus log 2 over log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 over log 2 raised to power 3. S is equal to 3 plus log 2 over log 2 raised to power 3 can be written as 3 log 2 plus log 5 all over 3 log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 all over log 2. S is equal to, this is over 1, SCM is 3. 3 times 3, 9, plus 1, 10. This is 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 all over log 2. If you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. Then the SCM here is 3. S is equal to 10 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. And this is the value of x. Let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation. 8 raised to power s minus 2 is equal to 80. This is 8 raised to power s is 10 plus log 5 base 2 over 3 minus 2 must be equal to 80. Then this is 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 bracket 10 plus log 5 base 2. Then this is minus 6 all over 3 must be equal to 80. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. 2 raised to power 10 minus 6, that is 4 plus log 5 base 2 must be equal to 80. Now this can be written as 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 80. 2 raised to power 4, this is 16 multiplied by, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then the whole of this is 5 must be equal to 80. 16 multiplied by 5, this is 80, is equal to 80, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.